guys, welcome back. This time we have another awesome SpongeBob toy to review. This is SpongeBob Chattypants. He does come with flashing eyes, a voice recorder, he laughs and jiggles, and he does talk 6 funny SpongeBob phrases.
Did you know you're my best friend? Ah, what a beautiful day!
Well, this SpongeBob toy is huge. He is extremely soft. If you want to turn your toy on or off, there is a switch underneath. There are 3 ways to use this awesome toy. You can press SpongeBob's hand, you can press his foot, and you can press his tongue to record your own voice and have it played back to you in a SpongeBob voice. But first, let's press SpongeBob's hand and see what he can do.
Crack me up. Ah, what a beautiful day. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Oh, barnacles. Did you know you're my best friend?
Let's press SpongeBob's foot and see what that does. Now you can also record your own voice. If you push the tongue down, it will record and repeat in SpongeBob's voice. So let's try it. SpongeBob is awesome.
SpongeBob is awesome.
I love SpongeBob.
I love SpongeBob.
Toys are awesome.
Toys are awesome.
SpongeBob also has light up eyes. Let's check that out now.
Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Oh, barnacles. Oh, you crack me up.
So there you go, guys, pretty cool, right? I absolutely love this toy. I think the best feature on this is the tongue function, where you can talk into the toy and it will talk back in SpongeBob's voice. That is a very useful function. I think I'll be using that on some future videos. That will come in very handy. But this does have to get a thumbs up from me, as it does have some really cool functions, some great voices, and it does come with light up eyes as well. Thanks for tuning in, guys, and I will see you next time for more awesome toy reviews.